Did you say hi to Grandma and Grandpa?
Oh yeah, hi. Okay. Okay, how do I do this? Okay. I think I found out. Okay, there we go.
You can still celebrate Christmas in Texas with them, just over Skype. Ranger wants to open up another gift. He's getting in the box again.
Ranger wants to open up another gift.
Yeah.
He opened up one. Where did I put my pocket back on?
Don't worry about it. You took the squeaker out, huh? I don't want you.
Okay, I think I got this open now.
All this stuff here. Amazon. Now you can get some books.
Yeah.
He's been asking for books too.
Okay. Oh! Whoa! Oh!
Yeah.
Top.
Except for playing games and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Android, so.
It's on the top.
Yeah,
I charged it last night.
And it's got some stuff loaded, I think, on it already.